客家风情。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在让我们来收听精彩的客家音乐创作。
Hi, I'm Joseph Lin. It's time for the Hakka song on ICRT. And here is Peng Boyi, or Boy P, who took his recorder back to his hometown in Hsinchu to record some of the sounds. But as he continues to record these sounds, he realized so much has changed and many things have been lost to time or forgotten. Therefore, he wrote the song Forget, or Mong Le, to bring back all those feelings and stories that he has left behind.这首彭博义的歌曲呢叫《蒙勒忘了》哦，不过客语里面忘了也可以说记得。而彭博义呢是回到他的家乡新竹竹东，去他儿时常去的一些地方来收录一些声音，发现有些事物已经不存在了，不禁感慨呢很多东西都忘了珍惜，忘了记录哦，因此来创作了这首《蒙勒忘了》。而曲中呢也加入了很多的河坝流水声啦、夜市的繁华声啦，还有按这个录音机的声音哦，来表达人事已非的这种感觉。从歌中呢可以看见家乡，也留给所有的听众们，是不是你也应该回你的家乡去看一看了呢？ Perhaps it's time to visit your hometown soon. Thank you for listening for another Hakka song here on ICRT. Hope you enjoyed it. My name is Joseph Lin, and we will see you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.